ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا، ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا.
Hello, this is Ibn Khaldun School, Al Yasmin branch, primary section, grade 2. I'm Mr. Sabr Al Said. I hope you are fine today. Today we are going to study Unit 12, Lesson 4. So kindly open your pupil's book on page 124. The first activity that we have today is listening. So I want you to listen well and try to read. But before we listen, we have a couple of questions. So we're going to read the questions first and try to find answers to these questions. Question number 1. When did the king jump out of bed? When did the king jump out of bed? Question number 2. What did the king want to have? King want to have or to eat? Question number 3. What did the king say? What did the king say? So try to find answers to these questions. The questions again. Number 1. When did the king jump out of bed? Number 2. What did the king want to eat? Or what did the king want to have? 3. What did the king say? So listen and read.
Pupils Book, Unit 12, page 124, Activity 1. Listen and read.
It was early in the morning and the king jumped out of bed. He marched to the kitchen and this is what he said. Pizza for the king, pizza for the king. Can you make it? Can you bake it? Pizza for the king.
I want cheese, I want tomatoes, I want peppers, can't you see? I want chicken, lots of chicken. That's the pizza for me.
Pizza for the king, pizza for the king. Can you make it? Can you bake it? Pizza for the king.
I want peas, I want potatoes, I want beans, can't you see? I want carrots, lots of carrots. That's the pizza for me.
Pizza for the king, pizza for the king. Can you make it? Can you bake it? Pizza for the king.
I want grapes, I want bananas, I want apples, can't you see? I want strawberries, lots of strawberries. That's the pizza for me.
Pizza for the king, pizza for the king. Can you make it? Can you bake it? Pizza for the king. They baked the king his pizza. He laughed happily. He hopped and skipped and shouted,
That's the pizza for me.
Pizza for the king, pizza for the king. Can you make it? Can you bake it? Pizza for the king. It was late in the evening and the king jumped into bed. He patted his tummy and this is what he said. Pizza for the king, pizza for the king. Can you make it? Can you bake it? Pizza for the king.
Very nice. Have you listened well? Now let's go to the questions and try to answer them. Right. The first question, when did the king jump out of bed? You can remember, can think. When did the king jump out of bed? Right. It was early in the morning. So when did the king jump out of bed? It was early in the morning. Question number 2. What did the king want to have? What did the king want to have? Right, he wanted to have pizza. He wanted to have pizza. The last question. What did he say? In the end, what did he say? He said, pizza for the king. So what did he say? What did the king say? He said, pizza for the king. Now let's go to word wall games. The king wanted to have juice, pizza, ice cream. So what did the king want to have? Fantastic. The king wanted to have pizza. The king laughed happily, sadly, slowly. Right. The king laughed happily. What did the king say? What did he say? Pizza for the prince. Pizza for the queen. Pizza for the king. So what did he say? Right, he said pizza for the king. My favorite fruits are bananas, grapes, strawberries. Look at the picture. Right. My favorite fruits are grapes. What kind of pizza is it? What kind of pizza is it? Cheese pizza? A meat pizza? Chicken pizza? Aha! It's a chicken pizza. Okay, let's play it in another way. My favorite fruits are grapes. Yes, my favorite fruits are grapes. What kind of pizza is it? What kind of pizza is it? Great. It's a chicken pizza. It's a chicken pizza. What did the king say? What did the king say? Aha! Pizza for the king. Pizza for the king. The king wanted to have. What did the king want to have? The king wanted to have pizza, of course. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it. Till we meet again, goodbye.